In today's video, I'll show you how to make a key holder out of a rectangle piece of paper, a piece of fabric. So you're gonna need 13.5 by 18 centimeters. Divide it into 3 equal sections and then find the center. And each side should be like 4 centimeters from the center. The rest you can cut. So when you find the center, 4 centimeters on each side, and the rest you can cut. You're also gonna need a couple of small strips. So I cut 2-inch fabric piece, long fabric piece. I sewed it on the side, on the inside, and flipped it over. So these are the extra strips that are 11 centimeters each, and I have 3 of this. So for this I have 2 pieces of fabric and a piece of felt, and I'm going to stack the little strips that gonna hold the keys in the middle part, which is like here on the inside of the little like wallet that I'm making, like this, and also around the edge. So to position the little strips on the right spots, I'll do a little marking on the felt, so when I'm sewing I know where is the middle part that's gonna hold the keys. And a little piece of marks, a few marks on the fabric as well. So the felt will be on the inside, and both sides of the fabric will be with the camo fabric. Both sides of the key holder will be with the camo fabric. So here how I'm going to assemble the key holders, the strips. I want to have 3 of those, so I'm using this water soluble and disappearing ink. So don't worry if you use something like this on the fabric, it will disappear later, either when you wash or on its own, I guess. It stays for a while. So here's how I'm going to assemble the fabric pieces. This will be my inside of the wallet. To make sure these 3 pieces stay in proper place, I will just sew around the edge one time, and then I will assemble each of the rest of the pieces. Okay, you should hold it very well, 3 times back and forth. So now I'm gonna put the middle piece. Like this. So first the inside, then the middle piece, and then I'll put it back on backwards, the front piece. So I'll be sewing around each of these sides and half of the bottom side. Then I'll flip it up on the right side and then finish the sewing. Check off the edges. If you have something like this, fix it and then flip it upside down. So this is the small hole that I left. And now I'll take it upside down, flip it, and then I'll show you how it looks. So now I'll close this hole on the sewing machine and attach a snap button, a plastic snap button, and then my little wallet for keys, it's done. So I folded the edges on the side and I will sew on the inside or on the edges, and I will be sewing this 3 strips on the inside like this. So again, find where the middle of the button, where you should attach the button, the middle of the cover is, and then attach your snap button, and then you have your little key wallet. Don't forget to mark the bottom of the fabric to make sure you have the exactly same spot. And attach the snap buttons. So I will be sewing one more time. I will be sewing one more line here. So I will have 2 lines. I'll have 2 holes on each of this strip for a keychain or for a ring.